What if I told you some of the most powerful weapons on Earth don't fire a single bullet? No gunpowder, no shell casings, no bang. And yet, crowds are stopped, vehicles are disabled, attackers are neutralized, and entire battlefields are controlled. These are the weapons that work silently, electrically, chemically, mechanically, and sometimes psychologically. Tools designed not just to destroy, but to dominate space, movement, and behavior. Today, we're breaking down 17 powerful weapons that don't use bullets, from everyday weapons to military-grade tech, explained clearly, professionally, and realistically. Let's get into it. Weapons 17. Modern Tactical Slingshot. The modern tactical slingshot is proof that raw physics can still compete with advanced technology. At its core, this gadget relies on stored elastic energy, but modern materials elevated far beyond its primitive image. Frames are often machined from aircraft-grade aluminum or reinforced polymers, designed to absorb vibration and maintain accuracy. High-tension bands made from layered latex generate remarkable velocity, allowing small projectiles to deliver focused impact. The true strength of the slingshot is reliability and discretion. It produces almost no sound, leaves no trace like shell casings, and functions in environments where mechanical simplicity matters more than complexity. In survival, tactical, or control scenarios, it represents silent force with minimal dependency. Weapon 16. Crossbow. The crossbow transforms human strength into stored kinetic energy with mechanical efficiency. Unlike traditional bows, the crossbow locks energy into a ready state, allowing controlled release with precision. Modern designs include rails for bolt stabilization, cam systems for higher energy storage, and trigger mechanisms engineered for consistency. The crossbow's power comes from repeatability and reduced skill demand. Once loaded, it becomes a stable platform capable of delivering significant force without noise or recoil. Its relevance today lies in its ability to provide silent, deliberate action while remaining mechanically dependable. Weapons number 15. Compound Bow. The compound bow is an engineering evolution built on leverage and efficiency. Through pulley and cam systems, it multiplies force while reducing the physical strain required to hold tension. This allows the user to aim with stability while retaining immense stored energy. Modern materials such as carbon fiber limbs and precision machined cams enhance durability and performance. What makes the compound bow powerful is not just impact, but control. It delivers speed, accuracy, and silence simultaneously, making it one of the most refined non-bullet weapons ever developed. Weapons number 14. Flamethrower. Flamethrowers operate on psychological dominance as much as physical effect. Using pressurized fuel systems and controlled ignition, they project fire in a directed stream that transforms space instantly. Unlike conventional weapons that target individuals, flamethrowers deny entire areas. Their presence alone alters behavior, forcing retreat and compliance. From an overview perspective, the flamethrower is a weapon of environmental control. It changes terrain into something unusable, demonstrating how fear and area denial can be more effective than precision force. Weapons number 13. EMP Devices. Electromagnetic pulse devices represent a shift from physical confrontation to systemic disruption. These weapons release energy that interferes with electronic circuits, disabling vehicles, communications, sensors, and infrastructure. No visible damage is required for total operational failure. In a world dependent on electronics, EMP weapons are among the most powerful tools available. Their strength lies in invisibility and immediacy. Systems fail simultaneously, creating chaos without direct physical harm. Control is achieved by removing the opponent's ability to function technologically. Weapons number 12. Unarmed Drones. Drones without bullets still redefine power dynamics. Equipped with cameras, sensors, lights, or speakers, they act as persistent observers in the sky. Their value lies in surveillance, presence, and information dominance. A drone hovering overhead changes decision-making, movement, and behavior on the ground. From an overview standpoint, drones weaponize awareness. They extend vision, reduce uncertainty, and impose psychological pressure without firing a single shot. Information becomes force. Weapons number 11. Sonic weapons. Long-range acoustic devices convert sound into a directed weapon. These systems emit focused acoustic waves that cause discomfort, pain, and disorientation at range. The effect is immediate and instinctive. People move away from unbearable sound. LRADs are used for crowd control, perimeter defense, and maritime security. Their power comes from the body's natural response to sound overload. Without touching the target, they dominate space through sensory control. Weapons number 10. Microwave active denial systems. Microwave denial systems use directed energy to stimulate nerve endings in the skin, creating an intense heating sensation. The effect is rapid, overwhelming, and non-lethal. These systems are invisible and silent, making them especially effective for area denial. The overview here is about compliance through discomfort rather than injury. Once activated, the body's instinctive reaction is to escape the beam, granting immediate control of space. Weapons number 9. Dazzler laser weapons. Dazzler lasers are designed for sensory disruption, not destruction. By flooding the eyes with intense light, they temporarily impair vision and orientation. Used by security forces and naval units, these weapons prevent escalation by disabling perception rather than causing harm. Their effectiveness lies in precision and distance. Control is achieved by removing visual dominance from the target. Weapons number 08. Net guns. Net guns focus on immobilization rather than impact. They deploy expanding nets that wrap around limbs or bodies, restricting movement instantly. Used in wildlife control, security operations, and specialized tactical scenarios, net guns prioritize capture and containment. Their power lies in ending mobility, proving that stopping movement can be more decisive than causing damage. Weapons number 07. Bola Launchers. Modern Bola launchers are inspired by ancient tools, but enhanced with modern materials and delivery systems. They fire weighted cords that entangle legs or objects, causing immediate loss of balance or movement. The overview highlights efficiency through simplicity. By targeting mobility instead of durability, Bola launchers demonstrate how control can be achieved with minimal force. Weapons number 6. Water cannons. Water cannons weaponize pressure and volume. High-powered pumps project dense water streams capable of pushing crowds, knocking people off balance, and even disabling vehicles. The strength of this weapon lies in physics rather than technology. Water, when controlled, becomes an unstoppable force that dominates space without permanent harm. Weapons number 5. Batons. Batons represent one of the oldest forms of controlled force. Modern expandable batons are lightweight, durable, and instantly deployable. They require no ammunition or power source, making them reliable in any condition. Their effectiveness comes from leverage, reach, and training. Batons are tools of authority and control designed to manage confrontation at close range. Weapons number 4. Tear gas. Tear gas is an area control weapon that targets the human sensory system. It irritates eyes, lungs, and skin, making environments uninhabitable within seconds. The weapon does not chase individuals, it forces evacuation through discomfort. Its strength lies in environmental dominance, turning space itself into the threat. Weapons number 3. Pepper spray. Pepper spray is compact but extremely effective. Using natural chemical irritants, it causes intense burning sensations, involuntary eye closure, and disorientation. Its accessibility makes it one of the most widely used non-lethal weapons in the world. The overview emphasizes immediacy, small size, instant effect, and minimal skill requirement. Weapons number 02. Stun guns and tasers.
These electrical weapons disrupt the body's neuromuscular system by overwhelming nerve signals. The result is temporary loss of muscle control and coordination. Tasers operate at range, while stun guns require close contact, but both focus on control rather than injury. Their power lies in speed, ending confrontations before they escalate. Weapons number 1. Control, the ultimate weapon. At number 1 is the principle behind every gadget on this list. Control is the real weapon. Control of movement, senses, space, behavior, and systems. None of these tools rely on bullets, yet each can dominate situations effectively. Together, they represent the future of force, precise, calculated, and designed to manage outcomes rather than simply destroy.